So yesterday we have discussed about grid, spinner, and autocomp, right? So three we discussed. So on that now, little bit advanced one that we have to discuss, that is recycler view. So for that now, let me create a project on that name. So I'm creating one new project. Just a minute, it is loading the data. Okay, now. So here, MTV's activity. Then here, I'm giving that name as the recycle. So recycle. Then click on finish. Yeah, once this project has loaded, then we will see here. Just let me open that project. So now recycler is nothing but it is the advanced version for whatever we discussed yesterday, before yesterday. That is like I want to show more than one, more than one. As of now, we are displaying only one kind of data, right? Name or mobile number, something like that. Only one array we are showing. But here now, I'll take multiple arrays. I'll display on the like the similar has a list view like that. I want to display. But this recycler view is the one of the advanced topic. For this here now, we have to assign two ways. One is an horizontal, other is an vertical, so that we will see how it is possible. Just once this project loaded, we'll see that. So in this now, this we will take as a relative layout. So this I'm changing as a constraint to relative layout. So constraint to relative layout. Then here now. So for this, here I'll give that title has recycler view example. Right. For this, we will give an ID. So that is Android colon ID equal to at the rate S ID. So that is the TV1. Then here now we will add the recycler. Once this project has loaded, we'll add. Meanwhile, at least we will add the data binding here. So for the data binding, I'm adding the tag as that layout. So added the layout tag here. So we will see now. Once this is done, we will see here next step. Yeah, it is loaded. Right. Now here we will see that recycler view. So this is the recycler view. So for the recycler view, I'm giving that match parent, graph content, and ID, that is RAC. Then so I'll give some margin, 10 dp, then below, so that is at the rate dv1 and done. Right now, as usually here we will add the data binding. Right here I'm adding the data binding. So that is data binding enable equal to true. So let us sync this. So then where binding column. So activity main binding. So that is equal to null. Then binding equal to, so that is data binding util dot. Data binding util dot this. This. Done. So here now, first of all, like I want to display two or three arrays in this. So for that here now, first I'm displaying that var names. So student names, student names equal to array of, so like AAA, BBB, CCC, and DDD. Like this I have added, right? Then var student student number equal to array of, so like this we will give an integer array. So done. Right, then var student images equal to array of. So here now r dot bitmap dot, so bitmap dot IC launcher, r dot bitmap dot, so IC launcher round. So then r dot bitmap dot IC launcher, r dot bitmap dot IC launcher round. Like this I added this, right? So this, so three arrays we have created, right? So then after this now, within this we have to write here that recycler v code. So this recycler code. So for write the recycler v code, we need a linear layout manager support. For that here now, I'm taking that var linear layout manager equal to linear layout manager. So that is the linear layout manager of this at the rate main activity. So context. And next is the linear layout manager dot vertical. So then last I'm giving the false. Like there are reverse layout, it is possible or not, that we have to do. Then binding dot, this we have to map to the recyclable. So recyclable dot for this set layout manager. So set and get here is common. So the for that here we are setting this layout manager. So this is the first step, it is done. Then after this here now we supposed to create one custom adapter. So I'm creating instead of array adapter, like as of yesterday we are using array, right? Instead of that I'm creating one custom adapter. This is my defined, user defined. So this at the rate main activity, the context comma whatever the arrays we created, those arrays we have to pass here in this. So first one is the student name, next is the student image, next is the student number. Like I'll create it. 3 arrays, right? I have passed this. Then binding dot rec dot set layout manager equal to set layout manager equal to sorry adapter. This is adapter. Set adapter equal to custom adapter. Done. So then here now I'm creating this custom adapter. See, one class, separate class I'm creating here. So expect separate class I'm creating here. So one separate class is created here, just like this separate class is created. See here, this will create with arrays data, whatever the arrays data we are passing. Along with that, the constructor will be, means this is the constructor, whatever the data it is coming, right, that we can say as the constructor. So this constructor data will create, but once this create, first of all here, this will be extended as a recycler. We immediately copy this name, and here you can paste that name here. So then here you can write my user. So just you can change that, because so next time when I create the same name, it will create. That's why we have to change. Like in a one single project, we have to create a multiple. That's why you have to. Then we can import this. Once you import this here, now we have some implemented members. So that through 3 implemented members are there. So those 3 you can create here. One is the uncreate view holder, unbind view holder, and the get item count. So this we have to create. Then after that here, with this name, you can create one class. So that is the one inner class we have to create. So the one inner class which is created here. So this better you can keep it here last better. So better. So this you will change as that is the inner class. And here within this, now this is the item view colon. So that is a view. So this is a view. Now this will be extended as, so this we can, this will be extended as a recycler view dot view holder. So whatever the view holder we have, this item view, we have to pass into this. Done. Now, so this is a script. Then after that, here now we have to localize the data. Whatever the data we are getting from that, here we have to localize. That is means 3 arrays and context we have to localize. So to localize that here, where ADB context. So the I'm declaring that first one is the ADB context. That is equal to context. Sorry, that is a column context. We have to just declare that is column context. So that we have to map with this context, right? Then where ADB names. So the student names I'm treating here as ADB names, colon, that is the array. So that is a string array, right? So that is ADB names equal ADB names. So that is the array equal to array. Here that is the string array. Right, string array. Colon, ADB names colon, that is a string array. Similar, we'll declare next. So this is the ADB numbers. So this is an integer array, right? So we can specify that is int. Names will also come as an integer because the names will get an address. So that is the ADB images. So this we can create, right? Now this will be, now here we have to create one init method to localize this data. So first one is the ADB context, ADB images equal to store student images. Then ADB numbers equal to student numbers. Right. Then next ADB context equal to main activity. Right. So whatever the data it is coming, so that data here we are accessing. Like last it should be here ADB names equal to student name. So this localization has done. So once this has done here, now you have to go here in this get count method. Here you have to check the inner return. You have to check one any of the array name dot size. So means how many items are there on that array, you have to check here. Right. Once this has done, then immediately here you can go to here. Here you can create one where some view we have to create view that is equal to layout inflator. By using the layout inflator means what is our context here? Whatever the data it is coming, even though recycler view is also like it is giving that row by row, but on that row, instead of filling the one data, we have trying to fill that multiple data here. So for that reason here we are using the layout inflator. So the layout inflator dot from, that is from parent dot, that is the inflate. So what we are inflating, that is r dot layout dot. So here we have to create one new layout. So that new layout name I'm giving the custom. So then it is the parent. Then reverse layout is not possible here. So I'm giving false. That. Then here from here it is written to my view folder. So my view folder of whatever the view which we created, that it will give this return this, right? Now with this name, so with this name we have to create one new layout file. So that is the XML file we have to create. So in this XML file now you have to design how this see here means that XML file will be seated in this layout resources. Here in this layout only it will be seated here. And previously which we created one XML, one Java file, right? Sorry, one Kotlin file that will be created here. This. So now for this. So here for this now what I have to add here. So I'll take simple linear layout. So this is it will be wrap content and orientation will be, I'll take orientation as horizontal, right? Then after that I'll take one image view. So that image view wrap content, then ID for that. So we'll give an ID that is the IB. Then some margin. I'll give this margin as 5 dB. Then I'll take one more linear layout here. So linear layout, my parent, wrap content, orientation, vertical. So here I'll take this text view, that is match parent, wrap content, ID, that is TV1, and we'll give some margin. So that is a 20. Done. Like same, one is for the name, other is for the number, right? So here one more. So that we'll take this other one. So that is a TV2, right? Our UI is ready here. Now, whatever the data is coming, that we have to assign into this, right? Here we will come here. So parent.context. Yeah, now it will. So now in this method here, in inner class, whatever the inner class which is created, right here we have to declare that. So first one could be here, var name, like name, right? Var s name, student name equal to student name colon. So that is the text view. We'll handle nullify. So similar here, we have two more. So S number, S image. So this is the image view. So here we have to create one init method. So S name, S number equal to. So with reference of this above item view dot find view by ID, we have to find out with reference of that. So that is r dot id dot. That is the number, right? TV2. So similar, we have to declare two more components. Right, two more components. This is the S name. S name, that is S name equal to here TV1. So this is the IV. So here we will change as a S image. S image done. So now last step, the data assigning here. Now here we have to assign the data. To assign the data here, so with reference of this folder, we have to call that is folder dot S name dot set text. So we are setting the text. So where we are setting this, where is the text? So that is in ADB names, ADB name dot get. So that is the holder dot adapter position. So with reference of the adapter position, we are assigning this data here. Then similar for the next components. So that is here. This is the S name instead of S name. This is the S number. So text. So this is the ADB number done. So this is will be a little bit different. That is folder dot s image dot set image resource. So that is the ADB image dot ADB image dot get folder dot adapter position. Done. So this is the that. So this is integer format, right? So that's why we have to convert that into the string because this we have given as an integer format, right? This is done. Now I'll run this one. We'll see this. After that, we'll discuss some more things like listener and all we'll discuss. I'll run this now. So just I have connected my mobile. I'm running this now. Okay. Just once it is done, we will see that output. Almost it is. So I'm running this. Wait, we will see again. It is stopped in between. See, this is the one it is created like this. Right, this is now vertical. So like say I want to change this as a horizontal. So if you want to change an horizontal here instead of this horizontal, if vertical, you can change that as horizontal. So let I'm creating the horizontal. Now I'm running. See here, it will come left to right scroll. Now it will from top to bottom right. Then it will come now reverse. See now it came in right. Right. Just a minute. Hmm. Yeah, no, sorry. You can see here now. This is the one. It is changed, right? Orientation I changed it from here to here, left to right here. Right now for this, I want to apply listener. So to apply listener here now, what I'll do for image, I'll apply one listener. So if you want to apply listener, again, you have to go here. Here we have to apply the listener. So here now, I want to apply one listener for the image. So that is a S image dot set on click listener. So set on click listener. So based on this position, it will call like here I'm giving that toast. So toast dot make text. But here the context already we defined the context, right? So that you have to use ADP context. So here now I'll display that here I'll write that our understandable image position. That image position, then toast dot. So toast dot length long finally dot show. Right, I have given this. Then same I have here like I want to give for remaining portion. So remaining portion means in this custom XML here except image part like in WhatsApp. So once we click our image, it will highlight the image. Apart from that other area, it will be highlighted with a normal, right? So like this here, I'll give that linear, something linear layout here. I'm giving that. Then here now we have to declare that. So first, if I want to identify here, now we have to declare here the layout and find view by ID. So for this here now, I'm giving that as a layout. So that is a layout. So layout equal to here. This is the linear layout. So linear layout. Here that layout equal to item view dot find view by ID. So that is r dot id dot dot id dot linear dot. So for this linear layout also we will give here listener. So that is a holder dot layout dot set on click listener. So here now like same toast I'll write here. So set on click listener. Set on click listener. Now here I'll write this. So here instead of the image, I'll write this layout like this for our understandable, right? I'm running this. Now we will see here. So I'm running this now. We'll see this out now. So once it is done, we will check that listener, how that listener will work. That's here. Now I'm clicking on image. So image 0. Now I'm clicking remaining part here. So that is layout 0. Just I swipe it here. Now I'm clicking this image. There's that image 1. Like this. So till this you can practice. So next we will see the dialogue section. So that we will see tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.